Hi guys, today I'm so happy and I am so excited. Stay tuned. Okay, so I made 5 points that I have learned. These are points of lessons that I have learned from my 1-to-1s on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to be serious now and start, So my first point is you can't learn everything before starting. So before starting my channel, I had all this going on. I was, oh, my background, oh, my lighting, oh, my camera, oh, everything. And I was downloading and watching videos of every single lesson anyone had to offer out there. And it took a lot of time for my starting point because I was to start in May and ended up starting in July. So I should have just started and learned while having a channel. But yeah, that happened. And I'm so glad that I finally began, and I'm now realizing that I'm very far from being like learned, YouTube learned. So yeah. So on to my second point. The second thing that I have learned from being a YouTuber is no one cares. Like, nobody cares about you when you're not a famous YouTuber. Everyone is just like, okay, just another YouTuber, which is cool because now you get to do your thing and no one is judging. They'll judge you later. But now you can do whatever you want. You can find yourself, you can find your topic, you can find your niche, you can find whatever before the whole or the rest of the world realizes, oh, there's something going on there. And I was so scared. But once I started, I was just like, meh. As in, no, not really. I was like, okay, yeah, I have a channel. And then that's the end of the conversation. The only people who like continue that conversation are people who actually want to have their own channel. So we talk about it and I tell them how I got started. Otherwise, no one else cares if I have a channel or not, which is really cool for me, at least. And it's giving me like freedom, and I like it. I do. On to my third point. So before I share my third point, I want to ask you to kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the like button if you're liking the content so far. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, hit the bell, the notification bell. And if you have anything to say, please comment down below. My third point is it's very freeing. It's like you can speak your heart out. You can say whatever you want. Happy here right now. I'm so happy. Like, I get to say this on camera to people. Like, that's how freeing YouTube is. How weird would it be if I just called my friend and I'm like, I'm so happy. Like, maybe they've had a bad day, or I don't know. Like, when I'm here talking to you guys who I appreciate so much, I feel like I am talking to someone who actually cares about my content, because you clicked on the video, you're watching on purpose. I'm not forcing anything on you. I'm sure that if you get bored by what I'm saying, please don't get bored. You're going to like log off, right? And it's so I like the freedom that I can talk to you guys without feeling like I'm all in your face. Like, I swear, that point about my that I shared on my last video about the creepy thing, if you haven't checked out that video, check it out. Like, I said something that I have never told anyone because it's so freeing to talk to you guys. So please subscribe and let's keep the conversation going. Okay, my first point. So my fourth point is a bit okay. I'm making every point look positive, but it's also a bit, this one's a bit on the next side. Hitting just 100 subs if you're starting from zero like I did is so hard. Just 100. I'm not even talking about 1,000 that is required for you by YouTube for what's it called, for monetization. No, I'm talking about the 100 subs. Hitting the 100 subs mark is so difficult. More than 100 people know me, but not all of them are subscribed to my channel. That's not sad. It's just life. It's just normal. Like, I'm just saying that hitting the 100 subs journey is tough. T for tough. But I am hanging in there, and I'm going to reach 1,000 subs. Please subscribe and let me hit at least 100. And when I hit 100, I'll be so excited to come on here and celebrate with you guys, because it's so hard. Okay, so my next point, my number 5, I actually wrote it as number 2. I had 2 number 2s on my points. So my point number 5 is, you are self-employed. Is that a bad thing or a good thing? I don't know. Actually, I do. It's both a bad thing and a good thing. So the good side is you get to like make your own hours. You get to decide when you're going to film, when you're going to edit, when you're going to post. No one tells you. No one is bossing you around. No one is even concerned if you're doing anything or not. If you have uploaded a video, or if you have a channel cover, if you have a profile photo, if you have made comments, if you have asked for people to subscribe, no one cares. You're your own boss. All that converted is also the bad thing. Like, imagine no one, we've grown up in a society where we're used to be told, like, where's your homework, where's your assignment, where's the work I gave you, we're used to being followed up. So if you have a YouTube channel, and if you start a YouTube channel, you have to be disciplined. You have to decide, this is the day I'll film, this is the day I'll edit. You have to decide when and how you're going to do things. There's no one there to push you. That's a good thing. And then there's no one there to push you. That's the bad thing, because now you have nothing to push you when you feel discouraged, when you feel sad. Even my friends don't encourage me. Okay, not encourage. They don't tell me post. They're just waiting for the video, and then they watch, right? Like, if I disappeared for 8 months, no one would comment on my video and be like, hey Cindy, where did you go, right? Because it's up to me, the self-employed, to employ myself and do my thing without anyone saying do it, right? When you're doing a course, for example, if you're doing baking, you become a baker automatically, even though you don't have your own bakery yet, right? So that's the same thing with YouTube. YouTube becomes a part of you, and it's beautiful. It's really nice. Like, I feel like I'm always thinking about something to post on here. I'm always searching and researching and learning about money, learning about random things. I want to remain knowledgeable, so that when you come on here, you can learn something from me. So it's just the YouTube in me. I hope that this video has helped you get insight into what I'm going through. Anyway, I hope this video for real has added value in your life. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel, my advice to you is just that. Like, no one is going to judge you, as I said in my second point, and life is just going to continue as usual. Like, it's a good thing. It's fun. You're going to have someone to talk to, even though it's yourself on a camera, and it's exciting. I'm so excited about this journey, and I am coming to an end in one of my journeys in life. So I guess starting this journey on YouTube is something to look forward to, and it's something to keep the momentum alive. Anyway, there's so many videos on YouTube showing you what you can do with YouTube as a YouTuber, ideas, what your channels can be about, but nothing can teach you more than experience. So as I come to an end, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Watch it. Bye. Thank you. Okay. Look at that smile. Thank you. My number 5 point, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's say you're doing a baking course, you become a bakery, even though you've not yet become a bakery and don't have your own bakery. You become a bakery.